ये जो है तुर्की वाली रोटी है इनकी, साथ में सलाद है, साथ में जो है बटर है, हनी है, स्ट्रॉबेरीज हैं, almond cards. Okay.
This why we prepare the everything.
ये अंदर राइट करना है ना, इनकी हमें समझ आ रही है ना, तो हमारी आती है ये रशियन बोल रहा है और मस्त चल रहा है, देखते हैं कुछ कुछ होता है क्या। हम लोग इवनिंग वॉक के लिए निकले हैं, अभी जो है थोड़ा सा एरिया को घूमते हैं। तो ये हम चलते चलते ऑलमोस्ट स्लेम टावर्स के नीचे आ गए हैं। ये अज़रबैजान की मेन विजिटिंग प्लेस है, तो इधर से आएगा ओल्ड सिटी भी स्टार्ट हो जाता है। तो अभी तो हम शायद आगे नहीं जाएंगे, हम नीचे को घूम जाएंगे, लेकिन कल हम कोशिश करेंगे कि थोड़ा उस साइड पे विजिट करके। अभी फ़िलहाल हम नीचे चलते हैं इधर बीच की तरफ, वो एरिया काफ़ी प्यारा है और बच्चों के लिए भी है, तो थोड़ा घूम के आते हैं। Kind of chapatis. What is this here? But how long it will take? Okay. One more. What is that?
You must put salt and some oil.
Salt and some
yes, yes, some oil because some when you put some oil, it is good. They not connect to this with onion.
So this is homemade cheese.
Yes, yes. I clean some.
Hello everyone. I am recording on behalf of Fayaz.
And now
We are going to shred this cheese.
yes. If you feeling the smell, this is nice.
So now we are going to chop these off for our sauce.
Yes. The separate things,
Okay.
and we shall put one by one.
Okay. 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 तो ये जो है इस बटर को मेल्ट कर रही हैं, इसको अब हम मेल्ट कर लेंगे. All these into pieces. Okay. Salt in the boiling water.
Some oil.
Okay. So she is adding salt in the hot boiling water and some oil. Olive oil?
Yes, this is also organic.
Okay, organic olive oil. Show me. Pull it. Yes, this is boiling.
Yes, boiling. When will ready, I shall take.
Okay. Can you tell me how you made this dough?
Flour, salt, and water.
Flour, salt, and water.
Some hot water.
Some hot water.
And finish.
And then make it a dough.
Yes, yes, you can do this. Not
Yes.
when we go upstairs.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is ready.
Okay. Layer these things. इस तरह से. Now she is going to layer these.
2 person.
Yeah, for 2 person.
For 2 person, I did for you and for Malik.
Yes. So she is going to plate it out.
Looking good.
Yes, this is looking very good.
Also.
Okay.
This simple type of without meat.
Okay. If any person who is purely vegetarian,
Yes,
you can
and
skip
not
meat.
vegetarian. If you can do with this only fried onion.
Okay.
It is possible.
Okay. Cheese.
After we put where is our garlic? Here.
Garlic.
Spring garlic, no problem to eat.
Yes.
Some people don't want because smell.
Putting the onion and meat sauce here. Layering. Look at this. How beautiful it is looking. Yum yum.
Yes, nam nam.
Num num.
Yes, nam nam. For nam nam for Malik for you.
Yes.
And now I put some
Butter.
butter
Okay.
for deliciously, you know.
Beautiful.
Okay. Yogurt.
It's going to be yogurt. Fresh homemade yogurt.
Okay, our hingal is ready.
Okay, our hingai is ready. Wow. Yum yum.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Enjoyment.
Thank you.
I put salt too much.
Oh, true.
Yogurt थोड़ी सी दे दो. Yogurt बहुत मजे की है यार.
Okay, so here we got the final dish. In what's the name?
Khengal.
Khengal.
She
Okay.
do everything.
Okay.
Don't ask me.
So this is khengal, local dish of Azerbaijan. So we will try this.
Don't try, we will eat. Don't try it.
Awesome.
Eat well.
This is a good one. Yeah, this is good.
Really good. Really, really good.
I know.
Thank you.
Zaria, let me go.
You have prepared this
नहीं
for
salt
us.
वाकई इसमें है. Salt is good.
Yes, because I put the water, I put the meat.
Yeah, can you tell me how old you are?
Huh?
How old you are?
Old?
Yes, that she will never tell.
I don't say.
She is not old. She is very young.
I don't like saying my age.
She is really very
No,
young.
no, I'm 18.
18. Yes, I remember.
I remember, yes, I remember.
She is literally have the energy of 18. You know.
Okay, so last time, 4 years ago, I came to her. She was 18 on that time as well. Still, she is 18.
Right? Let me खाने.
Yeah, finally it's finished.
Num num.
Take it with this.
Hmm.
At the end, I give some bread. If you want, I give some bread.
No, I'm good. ये ने ऑलमोस्ट हर चीज़ खुद बना के रखी हुई है तो काफ़ी मज़े की चीज़ें हैं
Check who coming. Check who coming. Check. Go. Go.
देखो कौन है?